In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow form submissions without email addresses to create contacts in Hubspot. This process is essential for businesses looking to gather leads and contact information through forms where an email address might not be necessary. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hubspot website by entering the URL or simply searching for Hubspot in your search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on login to access your Hubspot account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you might need to create one to proceed with this tutorial. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Hubspot home. This dashboard is your central hub for accessing all Hubspot tools. From here, look for the Marketing tab in the main navigation menu. Click on Marketing to reveal additional options. It's vital to note that navigating through Hubspot might vary slightly depending on your account settings and updates, but don't worry, the core features remain consistent. Next, within the Marketing section, you'll see an option labeled Forms. Click on Forms to view all the forms you've created in Hubspot. This is your go-to place for managing and editing forms. Whether you're starting from scratch or editing an existing form, accessing the Forms area is your first step to customizing your form settings. Now that you're in the Forms section, you'll see a Settings button. Click on Settings to adjust various settings related to form submissions. This section holds the key to modifying your form's behavior and is crucial for our task today. Following this, look for Submission Settings within the Settings area. Click on Submission Settings to manage how your form handles incoming submissions. Here, you'll be making a crucial adjustment to allow submissions without requiring an email address, which is an exceptional flexibility feature in Hubspot. Finally, you'll find an option to toggle certain settings. Locate the option that's currently set to On, which requires an email address for form submissions. You'll want to click on this option to turn it off. Doing so will allow forms to accept submissions even if an email address isn't provided, creating a contact based on other provided information, which can be combined with your CRM strategies for broader lead engagement. And there you have it. Your form is now configured to accept submissions without requiring an email address. This setup can be particularly useful for surveys, event registrations, or any situation where capturing an email isn't crucial. Remember, this configuration empowers you to reach more potential contacts and gather valuable insights without barriers. Thank you for tuning in and happy HubSpotting.